In today's video, I'm going to show you how to repair this mold or trim, whatever you want to call it. You can see here there's a huge chunk missing from it. I don't know what happened. This is just an old house, so we're just going to repair it. Let's begin with driving some screw. That way there's something to hold on to when you apply the wood putty. We're going to be using this JB-Weld putty. It is a 2-part epoxy. You can actually see there's 2 colors, and that's because it's 2 parts. Mix it well, mix it so that everything becomes one color, all uniform. This is what the result looks like when you mix it well. Once you mix it, try your best to apply it within 30 minutes. It's still nice and soft to work with, otherwise it'll be rock hard later on. Apply it. Don't worry about making it nice and pretty because we're going to sand it down later. Finally, this is the result after sanding and painting it 2 times. You can barely even know it was there. Pretty cool, right? Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful in working with the wood putty from JBL to repair some wood damages. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.